Welcome to AntBio. We provide complete solutions for dual-dimensional immune profiling, from protein quantification to cellular function. Introducing AntBio OneStep ELISA kit, powered by our proprietary SR-MAB platform. Only 1 hour for the entire assay, single loading, single wash, single incubation. With picogram level sensitivity as low as 0.13 picograms per milliliter, it delivers reliable and consistent results. It supports samples of human, mouse, rat, rabbit, and most common species, covering cytokines, immunoglobulins, disease markers, residue detection, and more. In stock with fast delivery. Custom development and 384 well format are also available. Now launching our new StepSlim ELISpot kit for single-cell functional immune detection. Pre-coated plates save 1 full day's preparation. Enzyme direct labeling saves 1 hour. Choose a LP or HRP for clear, stable, and authentic results. AntBio OneStep ELISA and StepSlim ELISpot. Trusted performance for your research. Learn more at www.antbioinc.com.